Alright, let's continue. And the last function is coordination and controlling. That while we are performing the controlling function, how we needed coordination. Even in controlling function, with the help of coordination, a balance is creating between the resources available to achieve the objective, like human and physical resources. देखिए ये कह रहे हैं, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कंट्रोलिंग फंक्शन, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन, हम कोऑर्डिनेशन की हेल्प से क्या करते हैं कंट्रोलिंग फंक्शन में, वी क्रिएट अ बैलेंस, हम एक बैलेंस क्रिएट करते हैं बिटवीन द रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्सेज मीन्स द थिंग्स विच आर अवेलेबल टू यू इन द कंपनी फॉर कंप्लीटिंग योर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. जो आपको अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कंप्लीट करने हैं, उसके लिए आपकी फर्म में जो चीज़ें आपको अवेलेबल करके दी जाती हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड रिसोर्सेज. एंड नॉर्मली इन एवरी बिजनेस टू टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज आर देयर, human and physical resources. So with the help of coordination, we can create a balance between both the resources so that our organization can achieve their objectives. So we can say that coordination is needed in controlling function also. So at the end, what we have to conclude that कोऑर्डिनेशन इज़ नीडेड एट एवरी लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. कि कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है वो मैनेजमेंट के हर एक लेवल पे नीडेड है. वाई? द वर्क एट एवरी लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इज़ परफॉर्म्ड बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. जैसा कि हमें पता है दैट एवरी लेवल मीन्स, if we are talking about top level, if we are talking about middle or low level, we know that at every level lots of people are there who are working together. Okay, so group of people are working together, whether it is top level, middle level or low level. That is why इसलिए हम कहते हैं that coordination is required at every level of management to complete the work successfully. If an organization want that they do the work successfully, they can achieve their targets successfully, so we can say that we needed coordination. Because when number of people, yeah, you can say that if more than one people is working together, okay, two or more than two people are working together, then you definitely need coordination to achieve your targets, goals, objectives, whatever you would like to say. Okay, so the first thing which we have learned is that coordination is not a sixth function of a management, it is just an essence. Okay, it is an essence of management because it is needed at every function we are performing in organizing, whether it is planning, organizing, staffing, directing or controlling. And another thing, that coordination even needed at every level also, whether it is top, middle or low level. So this is coordination as an essence of management. Importance we are talking about in we are talked about it in next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.